Doing this thing where I think I'm recording but I'm not. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't even met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, and if you are joining me again, then welcome back. So in today's video I shall be testing out some Primark makeup from their summer collection. I have got the Lip Tropica matte lipstick collection. I am wearing this hot pink one right here, which is amazing. It's so nice on the lips, feels amazing, and the lipsticks work out to £2 each. You get the whole collection and this pretty box for £8. And then I also tested out this Exotica eyeshadow palette right here, which is the main reason I wanted to do this video. When I did my Primark haul, this palette really brought my attention. So this is what the palette looks like inside. You get a really pretty orange shade, you get a blue, pink, purple, like it's gorgeous. This gold shade is beautiful, and the pink and the orange I'm really impressed with. I have them all on my eyes today. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look and my thoughts on the collection, seeing me use it, that kind of thing, then please carry on watching. And before you do, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the absolute world. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, let's just see how I got this look right here. So the first colour I'll be taking is this hot pink in the middle right here. Then I'll also be taking this orange shade right here with a fluffy brush just above that pink shade. So I'm just taking this into the crease of my eye. It will look really messy at first, but I'm just trying out a new method. I actually tried out this makeup look the other day, just kind of having a play around. I was planning on filming, but my eyes were really bloodshot because it's really late at night. It was like 10:30, 11. I was like, no, I'll film it in the daytime. And then this morning I sprayed deodorant in my eye. But that's okay because my eye is fine now and we're going to film a cool, dramatic makeup look. I'm just starting to wing it out a little bit just towards the brow and then pull it back in. So as you can see, this looks super messy, but it really doesn't matter too much. We're just kind of like packing on the colour. I think this pink is so good. If you're on the budget, then definitely check out these eyeshadows. I'm just going to go back in with more orange to help blend it out. This will definitely take some time, so have some patience with this. Just a little wiggly motions. Okay, so now we've applied the pink and the orange. It's like this gorgeous sunset kind of vibes. I'm going to go in with this colour right here, which is a pretty purple colour from the palette. It doesn't have a lot of like deepness to it, it's just like a light purple, but I thought it would add something interesting to the outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to pop that on. And to apply it, I'm taking this brush right here from L'Oreal Langnickel, and it is their smoky eye brush. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this onto the outer corner of the eye. Yeah, it's definitely not like a dark shade, but it's going to add something else just to that outer crease area when we cut the crease. Then I'm just going to blend it out with the pink. And then take that orange shade as well. To cut the crease, I'll be taking this concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade 1. Just going to start by applying a little bit of the concealer to the inner corner of my eye. I'm not going to take it too far up like I usually do, so I'm not going to do that thing where you look up to transfer it. Just going to swing it around the eye. And you'll naturally feel like where the eyeball is, basically. I'm not going to take it all the way across, I'm probably going to take it up to here. I'm not adding any extra product either. Just like so. So the first shade I'm going to be applying it to the cut crease is this gold one right here, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to spray my brush with a little bit of the Primark primer water. This will just help to make the pigment more intense and make it look a little bit more metallic. So I'm just going to take the shadow and then just apply it on top of the concealer, but I'm only going to bring it to about here. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmery purple shade right here. Again, I'm just spritzing my brush with a little bit of primer water. It's already dark because I've already like played with the shadows. So I'm just going to go in with that purple shade. And then I'm going to apply it to like the outer kind of like section right here where we don't have the gold. Purple is gorgeous. Look at that, so pretty. I'm gonna try and like wing it out a little bit. Then I'll take the brush that had the gold shade on it and just kind of like tap over the top of it, like where the two shadows meet, to help blend it in. Then I'll go in with that pink shade just to help kind of like blend it out a little bit, not too much though. Next I'm going to apply a black liner into my upper lash line to help blend the false lashes in later. Then I'm going to apply this purple liner to my inner waterline. This is the Electric Eyes Matte Eyeliner. I'm just going to apply this to my lower waterline. Next I'm going to apply a wing to my eye. I've been debating for like 5 minutes if I want to apply a wing, but I want to apply a wing. Want to apply a wing? Want to apply a wing. Why is it so hard for me to talk? I just get too excited and all my words come out at once. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and apply a wing. I'm using the Nip and Fab Felt Tip Liner in the shade Black. Next I'm going to apply some colour to my lower lash line, starting with the pink right here. Brush I'm using for this, by the way, is the Sigma E25 Tapered Blending Brush. I'm just going to start by looking up and then blending this into my lower lash line. Not really any precision, this is more just a base for the other colours. You can kind of see where the black liner from the top has transferred on the bottom, but I'm just going to go ahead and reapply the purple in a sec. I'm just going to take the gold shade and apply it on the inner corner. Then I'll take the purple shade and apply it on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Okay, I'm just going to reapply this purple liner on my lower lash line, just because the black has transferred on top of it. Okay, so the last shadow of this look is going to be this shade right here, on the inner corner with a pencil brush. Just going to spray the brush with a little bit of primer water actually, and then apply this on the inner corner of the eye. This is so pretty, look at that. It's like a pink shimmery colour. I'm just going to take this Sigma, what is this? This is the E32 Exact Blend Brush. I'm going to apply this to my brow bone as well, just for a pretty highlight. I'm going to go back in with the orange shade and just blend that out. Next I'm going to curl my lashes using the Primark Eyelash Curler. Give them a squeeze. Then for mascara I'm going to be applying the Primark Volumizing Mascara. Pop! For lashes, I'll be applying these ones from the Suzanne Jackson range with Primark. These are in the style Milan. I'm going to pop these on and I'll be right back to finish the face. So lashes are now on, we're going to move on to my face. So I'm going to start by priming the skin using this Revolution baking oil just for a luminous glow. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some of this out and just massage this into my skin. To work this into my forehead, between the brows, all over the face. Once that's all massaged into the skin and we look like an oily mess, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be wearing today is this one right here. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I did a review on this, so go check that out. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using the Sigma 3D HT Blender. cream, contour and bronzing, I'm taking this Primark My Perfect Colour Concealer Stick in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to apply this under my cheekbones, around my temples, and then the top of my forehead. I'm also going to apply some under my lip, and the tip of my nose, and then around my nose. This is going to help to slim down the nose and just make it look more structured. To blend that into the skin, I'll be taking the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. For concealer, I'll be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4. I'm going to be applying this on my chin, under my eyes, my forehead and down my nose, just to highlight and conceal my face. Then I'm just going to take that Sigma Blender sponge and blend it out. Moving on to highlighting the face, I'm going to take the Primark Strobing Highlighter Cream in the shade Champagne. I love this and use this in so many of my tutorials. It's really, really good and it's only like £2. So good, and I've still got a ridiculous amount of product left. Just going to dot this onto my cheekbones and blend it out. Then to highlight the face, I'm going to take this Primark Nudes Body Shimmer Dust. This doesn't have a shade, but it is really, really pretty. I'm going to tap that on top of the highlight. Oh, that is pretty. And I'm going to apply a little bit just to the top of my forehead here, just so when you turn it looks really pretty. Now we're going to set the whole face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. To contour, I'll be taking the Nip and Fab Light Contour Kit, if I can open it. I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Ginger. Just taking that on my MAC 109 contour brush. Just going around the tops of my forehead. Then I'm also going to go under my chin. This is just going to help give me something of a sculpted chin. Quite a round face, I feel. Going down the sides of the nose. For bronzer, I'll be taking the Sigma F25 Tapered Face Brush and the NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. I'm just using this to bronze up my face. Then for blush, I'm taking this really pretty blush. This is the Mineral Glow Baked Blusher, which I think is part of their summer collection. And I'm going to take that on a Zoeva 126 Luxe Cheek Finish brush. I'm adding quite a lot of blush because I want like a cute like blushing finish, I don't know. I'm now going to set this into place, and I'm taking the Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Finishing Spray. Then I'm also going to take the Primark InstaGirl Iridescent Highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne, although to me it's more of like a pinky highlighter. Add some more of that. Okay, now moving on to lips. I'm going to take this lipstick collection. This is the Lip Tropica collection from Primark. I don't know which colour I want to apply it. I think I'm going to go with the pink. I haven't worn a hot pink in ages, so I'm going to take the hot pink shade. I'm just going to pop this on. I need a liner that is similar. Okay, I'm going to take the Barry M lip liner in the shade Red because I don't have a hot pink lip liner, so this is the closest that we can get it. Should I take this? Yeah, I'm going to take this. So I'm just going to use this to line my lips. Then I'm going to apply this hot pink shade. Does it have a shade name on it? No, but I'm going to apply it. I'm just going to apply it straight from the bullet and then just see how I get on with it. my lips are way too dry for this. This looks weird. This is like a Barbie pink. That is like Barbie pink, and I'm actually kind of feeling it. Yes! My lips are definitely a little bit too dry for the lipstick, but the lipstick isn't bad in itself. I just need it to moisturize my lips like really bad. I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line as a finishing step. Then I'm also going to apply some brow gel to my brows to set them into place. This is the Benefit Give Me Brow. It's like the tiniest sample ever. Yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to give my thoughts on the collection. So, I think the collection is wicked. I mean, you get these lipsticks were £8 for lipsticks. That's so good, including obviously this hot pink one right here. The Eyeshadow palette is amazing, and it was only £4, I believe. I'm just going to double check that. Yeah, it was £4, which is just amazing, and you get all of these shades in it, and I only use this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So I haven't used like this aqua colour or the black with the gold glitter or the blue, but I reckon they'll be just as good. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this palette. I think for £4 it's so good. If you're a girl or a boy who's getting just into makeup, then definitely go ahead and go to Primark and check out all these amazing palettes, because they definitely have such a wide selection of makeup just to play around with and get yourself started and just playing around. I created this amazing eye look today, which I'm just obsessed with. I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures, so definitely go check out my Instagram to see those. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the absolute world, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!